Woman and child injured in three-vehicle crash on the Hellshire main road. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A woman and a child are reportedly injured following a three-vehicle crash on the Hellshire main road in Portmore, St. Catherine yesterday morning. The circumstances surrounding the crash, which reportedly happened around 9:30 a.m. and involved a taxi, are not immediately clear up to the publication of this report. It is understood that the woman, who was the driver of one of the vehicles in the accident, had to be extricated from the wreckage. Firefighters and other emergency personnel were on the scene. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.